Hi, let's make squash patties. So we have to grate the squash, add shrimp cubes, onion, all-purpose flour, 1 piece of egg, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch so that when we fry it, it's crunchy. It's time to fry. Hope you try this. Enjoy cooking.